Hey guys, so today we are in Goramghat and right now we are climbing up and the way is like this, you can see. And okay, let me show you the scene around. And this is the way from which people are coming. And it's very hot here. Hello friends, so we are about to reach Goramghat and the scenery you can see, it's so beautiful, but then we have climbed a lot of hard way. The monkeys, they are so cute. See you soon. Kar band. So we have reached Goramghat and the scene you can see, it's very beautiful and it's a must watch place. You should go here. So now we are coming down from Goramghat and it was seriously amazing place and I recommend you to visit this place. And you can see the way there down and the scene, the scene is so beautiful. Okay, see you soon. So the way down is like this and it's kind of risky, you can see, but the scenery, it's just amazing, wonderful. So we are going. You can see how difficult, but the scene. So this is the way and it is full of rocks and you can see we are coming from this way, then there. We are going down and can you see the mountains, the stones and beautiful me. It's full of stones and big pieces of rocks, you see, and the scene, OMG, so beautiful. So we are about to reach down and let me show you the scene.